We're gonna zhuzh this up just a little tiny bit.
I like that word, zhuzh.
Homemade is from the heart. It's a talking to me. This is not your grandmother's meatloaf. Air comes in there.
Okay.
Comes through the charcoal and then out the top. With the green egg, you can do anything that your mind tells you you can. Okay, we're getting ready to start the pecan pie. This recipe that I'm going to be doing is one that is kind of near and dear to my heart. My grandmother would make this pie for me whenever I went back to Tennessee. And when I'd get there, she'd say, I have a pecan pie for you. And we'd eat on that for the week or 10 days that I was there. And then she would bake one for me to take home in the airplane. And so it's a special recipe. This recipe, I've been eating this recipe for probably 65 years. We're going to cream 4 tablespoons of butter, and we are going to cream that with brown sugar. Now this is 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. So you're actually incorporating the butter in with the brown sugar. It doesn't look like that's enough butter to do that, does it?
No.
No, but it is. Do you see how it's kind of changed textures completely? Yes. We are going to beat these eggs. These are large eggs. Add your egg mixture into your brown sugar and butter, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla. This is dark Karo syrup. It just makes it richer, and that stuff is sticky. And then you just stir this all together. And these are pecans. They're a cup of pecans. These guys know how to do pie crust much better than I ever would, and they certainly look a lot prettier, so why wouldn't I get that? And you just kind of pour it all in, using your spatula to get every little bit of goodness in there. And now all we have to do is let the green egg work its magic on the pecan pie.
This is going to be amazing. All right,
right in the middle.
Right in the middle. And this is going to be the same amount of time as the
maybe a little tiny bit more.
Okay.
Yeah, you're like, okay. Look at that.
My gosh. Okay.
Look at that. It's perfect. Perfect.
I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, I'm getting ready. Remember the airplane? Okay. This is good. This is really good.